In this video, I'm going to teach you how to create Glovo account in Italy. In order to do that, first head over to globoapp.com and you should be able to see in here this. So from in there, you can proceed to click on this login, and from in there, you will be prompted to this part. So you can either input right here your phone number, you can use WhatsApp or SMS, or you can also log in using socials like Google, Facebook, and email. Now, in this case, you can just choose one which you want. So on my case, let me choose Google right here, and let me proceed to using here my account. So let's click on this account right there. Click on continue. Then after you have done that, it will redirect you in here under the Globo app. So since we just click on login, it will actually create us an account for ourselves, which will be redirected to the sign up page. As you can see, we have successfully signed up. You can just input right here your address. For example, let's put in here Rome. You can add in here a new address or share your current location. If you just want to add in here your address, you can head over and search in here for that. You can see that we can actually just choose in here our address, and you can see in here the top restaurants that you can actually utilize. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.